Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the no service available error on your T-Mobile hotspot so you can get your internet back up and running. Many people face this issue when their hotspot suddenly loses signal, won't connect to the network, or shows no service even in good coverage areas. Don't worry, here are the best ways to fix it. Method 1. Restart your hotspot. Turn off your T-Mobile hotspot, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then power it back on. This often clears temporary glitches. Method 2. Check signal and location. Move to an open area with better coverage. Avoid basements, thick walls, or areas with weak signal. Method 3. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off the hotspot, remove the SIM card, clean it gently, and reinsert it securely. Turn the device back on. Method 4. Update or reset the device. Log in to your hotspot's admin page. Check for software or firmware updates. If the issue continues, perform a factory reset to restore default settings. Important notes: make sure your T-Mobile account is active and has data available. Service outages in your area can also cause this issue. Check T-Mobile's website or app for updates. If none of these work, contact T-Mobile support to check for SIM or network issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more T-Mobile hotspot fixes and tips.